Welcome to this demo for the Epicor LaserCat 3 eCatalog. LaserCat 3 is the most comprehensive parts catalog in the automotive aftermarket industry. It provides access to over 7.5 million parts from more than 7,000 manufacturer lines. In this chapter, we'll demonstrate how to customize the display order of parts descriptions in the electronic catalog during a parts lookup. MCL, or Manufacturer Coverage List, is a user-maintained list of preferred parts providers that are displayed on the screen when you do parts lookups. MCL enhancements enable you to control how counter personnel see LaserCat 3 eCatalog lookup results so you can prioritize which items are featured and sold. You can use Epicor MCL by part description feature to change the display order of parts descriptions for a particular part supplier or for a particular part group. For example, you can rearrange the Wix filter part descriptions so when a Wix filter is looked up, the filter part descriptions are displayed in alphabetical order. Part descriptions can also be hidden so they are not displayed. This screen depicts how LaserCat 3 displays Wix filters in its default mode when we look up a 2006 Ford Mustang with the V8 engine. The default order may appear to be random, but it's actually the order in which the system originally collected the data. This can vary among different systems. To make changes to the MCL, first close LaserCat 3. Then access the Supplier Maintenance Wizard by double-clicking its icon on the desktop. The icon looks like a gas pump. The Select Supplier window will now open. The default selection is Create New Supplier. We want to edit an existing supplier list, so click the radio button for Select an Existing Supplier. Then click the supplier group that contains the manufacturer's line you wish to modify. Then click the Next button. The Select Features window now opens, showing the features selected for licensing. Now click the Next button. Now the Select Coverage window opens. We want to add or modify a coverage list manually. This is already selected by default, so click the Next button. The Setup Coverages window will now open to display the supplier list we selected with members of the MCL in bold type. To find the manufacturer, you can either scroll through the list or type in the Find Manufacturer box at the top of the window. Use either method to locate Wix and then click on it to highlight the entry. Then click the Edit Manufacturer's Coverages button located below the list. The Manufacturer Edit window opens to show the coverage for our selected manufacturer, Wix. Click Filters, Engines and Transmission to highlight it and then click the Edit button. This opens the Edit Coverage window. To change the order of the part descriptions list, click the Set Descriptions button located below the Priority drop-down box. The Description Ranking screen shows Wix as the manufacturer we want to change the part description order for. It shows Filters, Engine and Transmission as the coverage for the supplier and the parts groups available for that supplier. Select the second parts group, Engine Filters and PCV, by clicking the checkbox to the left of that parts group. A list of all part descriptions for the selected group will appear in the Rank Descriptions field. You can hide part descriptions to prevent them from displaying by clicking on them in the Rank Descriptions field and then clicking the arrow pointing to the Hidden Descriptions field to move them out of the list. Move descriptions back to the list by selecting them in the Hidden Descriptions field and clicking the other arrow. They are placed at the bottom of the Rank Descriptions list instead of in their previous location. We'll move Air Filter to the top of the list by clicking on it and then clicking the Up button under Rank until it appears at the top of the list. Similarly, you can move an item down in the list by selecting it and clicking the Down button. In this example, we have ranked the list alphabetically, but you can rank descriptions in any order you would like them to display. If you wish to discard your changes and start over, uncheck the box in the Parts Group list. When the order of the descriptions in the list suits your needs, click OK. Click OK on the Edit Coverages screen and the Manufacturer Edit screen, and click Finish on the Setup Coverages screen, which will all pop up in succession. The Finish Supplier screen displays a list of changes that will take effect when you click the Perform Changes button. Review the changes and then click the Perform Changes button. A confirmation message will appear to verify that the changes were successful. Then click the Close button to exit the Supplier Maintenance Wizard. To see the results of your modifications, open the LaserCat 3 eCatalog application and do a Part Expert lookup for Wix filters. The filter parts description for Wix are now in alphabetical order. The new order ranking only applies when you view the parts in manufacturer order. Your ranking and hidden descriptions do not apply when viewing in description order. You can also use the Supplier Maintenance Wizard to set part description ranking on the fly when you add a new supplier to your MCL or when setting up a new supplier group. Epicor MCL by Part Description enables you to customize LaserCat 3 eCatalog to best suit the way you want to do business. It gives you the power to decide how your counter personnel will see catalog lookup results for a particular supplier, helping them to sell items that you want to feature in the priority you prefer. Are you interested in learning more? Contact us to learn how to get the Epicor LaserCat 3 Advantage. Email us at automotive.marketing@epicor.com. Visit us online by clicking the link posted below this video or call 800-380-9015.